Welcome to Compare to Win. The best narrow folding table is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture pieces you can add to your home, especially if you're dealing with limited square footage. Imagine a sleek, functional surface that can instantly expand your workspace, dining area, or crafting station, only to disappear neatly when not in use. This isn't just furniture, it's a smart solution for modern living, blending practicality with an elegant design that complements any decor. Whether you're in a cozy apartment, a dorm room, or just looking to maximize the utility of a specific corner in your house, a well-chosen narrow folding table offers unparalleled flexibility and convenience, transforming how you utilize your living space. Number 5. COSCO 6 feet fold-in-half banquet table. Introducing the COSCO 6 feet fold-in-half banquet table. It's designed for convenience and versatility. It features a secure lock that keeps the table closed when transporting. This ensures it stays put during your journeys. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to the comfortable handle. It's easy to carry even when folded and locked. This table is perfect for any setting, whether indoors or outdoors. Its durable top is built to withstand all seasons. Weighing only 25.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight. This makes it easy for anyone to carry and set up. When folded, its compact dimensions of 36.5 L x 29.6 D x 3H make it simple to transport and store. It takes up minimal space when not in use. What we like? This table is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. It features a comfortable handle for easy carrying and a lightweight build. If you need a table that's simple to transport and use outdoors, this is a great choice for picnics or casual gatherings. What people say? This table is very sturdy and well-made. It folds up very compactly and is easy to store. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 4. Best Choice Products 4 feet folding table. Place all your food and drinks on this strong, easy-to-clean surface. It's made with dense plastic, making it thicker and able to hold up to 300 pounds. This table is perfect for any occasion, whether it's an outdoor cookout or an indoor party. Use it as a dining table, game table, or even a display surface. With powder-coated steel legs, frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet, this table stays securely in place. You can rely on it for any event. Take it anywhere with ease. The foldable design includes a side lock and handle, making it simple to transport or store when not in use. No complicated setup needed. Just unfold it, lock the legs, and your table is ready for action. It's that simple. What we like? This option offers exceptional durability and stability for heavier loads. Its thick, strong tabletop and robust frame can handle significant weight. If you're looking for a reliable table for parties, events, or even as a workspace that can withstand frequent use and heavier items, this is the one. What people say? The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble at all. It folds up very compactly, making it easy to store. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 3. WOHOMO Folding Desk 31.5 Oak. Discover the ideal solution for compact living. This desk is designed to fit perfectly into small areas, making it a great addition to your home office or any room. Experience ultimate convenience with its easy folding feature. A simple mechanism allows you to fold and unfold it in seconds, providing stability without any wobble. When not in use, it becomes incredibly slim, measuring just 2.76 inches wide. Store it discreetly behind doors, under beds, or in tight corners to maintain a clutter-free space. Weighing only 14.96 pounds, it's remarkably light and sturdy. Moving it between rooms or even taking it on a trip is effortless, thanks to its portable design. Setting it up is a breeze with the included instructions and tools. In just a few minutes, you'll have a stable workstation ready to go, supported by 2 triangular plates. What we like? This desk is perfect for maximizing space in smaller living areas. Its incredibly slim folded profile allows for discreet storage. If you have limited space at home and need a functional desk for work or study that can be easily tucked away, this is an ideal solution. What people say? This table is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for small spaces. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much room. The surface is smooth and easy to clean, and the legs are stable. Number 2. Flash Furniture Elon 6-foot plastic folding training table. Introducing a versatile 6-foot rectangular table, perfect for training rooms or classrooms. It comfortably seats up to 3 adults on one side, ensuring everyone has a clear view. This table is incredibly versatile. Use it for product displays at conventions, fun sip and paint parties, or to distribute important information like brochures or test packets. Constructed with a durable, waterproof plastic tabletop and powder-coated locking legs, it's designed to withstand years of use. It can even support up to 220 pounds of static weight. The foldable leg design makes it simple to transport and store compactly. Plus, the non-marring floor caps protect your floors from any damage when you move it. Measuring 18W x 72D x 29H, it's the ideal size for all your essentials. Best of all, it requires no assembly right out of the box. What we like? This table provides a generous surface area and requires no assembly, making it incredibly user-friendly. Its durable construction ensures longevity for various uses. If you need a ready-to-use, spacious table for training sessions, events, or as a temporary workspace, this is a practical and efficient option. What people say. It is a very sturdy table. The table is very easy to assemble and fold. It is a perfect size for my small apartment. Number 1. Nice C-card table, portable and adjustable. Easily adjust the height to suit any activity, from parties to playtime. Enjoy convenience and fun anywhere, anytime, with anyone. This table features a large mesh holder underneath, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, and essentials within reach. Make outdoor activities cleaner and more enjoyable. Constructed with high-quality, durable materials, it's designed for longevity. A quick wipe is all it takes to clean up spills, making it ideal for families. Its lightweight and compact design makes transport and storage a breeze. Fold it down and tuck it away until your next adventure. More than just a card table, it's perfect for games, puzzles, crafts, and more. It's a versatile addition to any home, office, or outdoor space. What we like? This table offers remarkable versatility with its adjustable height feature and convenient mesh storage. Its lightweight aluminum construction makes it easy to move. If you enjoy outdoor activities like camping or beach trips and need a table that can adapt to different situations and keep your essentials handy, this is a fantastic companion. What people say. It is a very sturdy table, and it is perfect for small spaces. The table is easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage. The surface is smooth and easy to clean, and it looks great in my living room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.